Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unpacking a massive leap forward in enterprise tech. We're looking at exactly how SAP's Joule Studio bridges that frustrating gap between generic artificial intelligence and your actual, unique business data. I am super excited to take you through this because, honestly, we're finally moving past those basic, clunky chatbots and getting into intelligent systems that can literally act on your behalf.
Now, we're all constantly hearing about AI, right? It's in the news, flooding our feeds, it's everywhere. But let's ask the hard question. Is your generic AI tool actually moving the needle for your day-to-day operations? Or is it completely disconnected from your real business data, basically leaving you to do all the heavy lifting of fact-checking and system integration yourself? Well, the fundamental issue here is that generic AI is totally siloed. Sure, it might write a nice, polite email, but it doesn't know your company's secret recipes. It doesn't know your supply chain logistics or your HR policies. Integrated business AI, on the other hand, is a whole different ballgame. It's deeply grounded in your unique processes. It understands the context of your business history, your proprietary data, and exactly how your enterprise actually operates in the real world. To put that into perspective, think about the 80-20 rule. SAP's industry-standard processes, with all their built-in best practices, compliance, and stability, get you about 80% of the way there, and that is a massive head start. But to truly win in your market, you need the right tools to build out that last 20%. That's your unique competitive edge, and you need to build it without compromising the rock-solid stability of your core systems. So, to see how we build that edge, here's our quick agenda for today. We'll start with the AI Integration Challenge, dive into Joule Studio, look at automating with Joule skills, unlock complex AI agents, and finally, wrap up with some real-world AI use cases.
All right, let's jump right into part one, the AI Integration Challenge.
And that perfectly sets up part two. Welcome to Joule Studio.
So this brings us to the real hero of our story, sitting right at the absolute center of the SAP build ecosystem, Joule Studio. You can think of it as the ultimate bridge, connecting your digital workspaces, apps, and workflows straight to AI foundation models and actions. And the best part? This works for everyone. Whether you're a pro developer building complex custom applications, CAP models, or a citizen developer who just needs to quickly automate a localized process, Joule Studio has you covered.
Moving right along to Section 3, Automating with Joule Skills.
Okay, so think of a Joule skill as a really strict, incredibly reliable recipe that Joule follows to get specific, repetitive things done within your business. We call this deterministic execution. And what does that actually mean for you? Well, it means you give it a trigger and it follows the exact predetermined steps, which could be a bunch of different actions or automations, and it guarantees a consistent, highly efficient result every single time. Seriously, there's absolutely no guesswork here.
Now, these skills are game changers because they combine standard automation with natural language understanding, meaning a user can phrase a request in dozens of different weird ways, and Joule still knows exactly which skill to trigger. Plus, add in some deep context awareness, so Joule actually knows the user's role and conversation history, and suddenly these modular skills are seamlessly working together in one unified experience.
When you look at these typical use case patterns, you quickly realize what skills handle best. I'm talking about those routine, low-complexity requests that just eat up so much of your team's day. Need to pull shipping info, track a delivery route, maybe submit an IT ticket, or kick off a hiring approval workflow? Joule skills automate all of these mundane data entries and system transactions flawlessly. And building one of these skills, it's surprisingly simple and super intuitive. You just start in the SAP Build lobby, define what Joule needs to ask the user and what it's going to return. Then you literally drag and drop existing automations, API actions, and logic right onto the canvas. Test it out in a safe environment, and boom, deploy it to your team. Simple as that.
Which brings us to Section 4, Unlocking Complex AI Agents.
Notice the direct contrast we're making here? Those rigid, linear rules we just talked about, those are skills. AI agents, though, they are an entirely different beast. You give an agent a high-level goal, and it autonomously figures out the absolute best way to combine various tools and data sources to hit that goal, adapting on the fly. If skills are your strict recipes, AI agents are the master chefs of your business data.
The real magic here is true autonomy. Agents are using large language models not just to generate fancy text, but to actually reason and plan. They take human input, look at real-time data across your various systems, map out a plan, execute it, evaluate the result,
and then iterate until the job is completely done. Let's follow this workflow. It starts with the user's instructions in memory context. Then the agent uses the LLM to actively reason through the problem. It reaches out and executes actions using external tools. Maybe it's pulling data from an SAP system or even a non-SAP API. And finally, it synthesizes all of that information into one comprehensive, useful output for the user. It's doing the heavy lifting for you.
Setting these up in Joule Studio puts you in complete control of the whole shebang. You pick your preferred foundational model, connect it to necessary APIs via MCP servers, which, by the way, act as highly secure bridges to your external tools, and crucially, you ground it securely in your proprietary business documents. This ensures the agent actually knows your specific business context and never, ever hallucinates facts. You can even assign it those Joule skills we talked about earlier to execute specific tasks as part of its master plan. Finally, let's look at Section 5, Real-World AI Use Cases. Let's picture some of these game-changing scenarios in action. Imagine having an agent autonomously analyzing supplier market trends and performance histories to help you negotiate way better procurement contracts. Or how about a talent acquisition agent that not only reviews resumes, but actually schedules the interviews and gathers onboarding documents? Or a logistics agent dynamically optimizing delivery routes by instantly pulling live weather conditions and real-time traffic data. That is proactive, contextual intelligence at its finest.
So if you only take one thing away from this entire explainer, let it be this. True innovation, the kind that separates the true market leaders from everyone else, happens when advanced reasoning AI is finally allowed to safely and securely speak directly with your unique enterprise data.
With Joule Studio offering an open, extensible framework and drag-and-drop simplicity for everything from strict deterministic skills to fully autonomous reasoning agents, the technology is no longer the bottleneck. Your imagination is. The tools are ready and waiting on SAP Build. So, the only question left for us to ask is, what unique edge are you going to build today? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning and keep building.